Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7 who are living big with less, and I have had a few requests from you guys to see what my daily cleaning routine looks like, what specific things I try and get done every single day. So today I filmed right through my day to show you just what I like to get done every single day. If I do certain things maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I've still included them in this video because I will do a separate video about the things I do just weekly. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is me just after having dropped the kids off at school. Before my kids go to school, I try and prioritize getting them off, and the only cleaning I do before they go to school is making beds and doing the breakfast dishes. Aside from that, I leave everything till I get home. So as you can see, I am just tidying up and putting things away. I am drying off some of our breakfast dishes and just clearing benches. So my daily mantra is getting those surfaces clear and put away and getting everything wiped down. So when I do my nighttime cleaning, I am usually quite busy doing homework and getting kids ready for bath and bed. So sometimes what I do is I give things a quick wipe over in the evening, but then give things a better clean in the morning when I've got more time. And my number one tip is to do little and often. So I wipe out my oven and wipe over my glass cooktop every single day so that it never becomes a big task. So now I'm just using some gumption just to get off some of the marks that don't come off our centuries old laminate. And so I just try and do this every day. It just keeps it really fresh. So as you can see, we have a dishwasher, but if you've been following me for a while, I don't use it. I end up running out of things that I need if I do use it, so I just wash everything by hand, and you will see me a million times a day washing dishes just because I like to keep on top of it and try and keep the sink as clear as possible. Now another thing I like to do every day is to just wipe down at least some of my windows. We live across the road from the beach, and the salt water on the windows leaves this awful film. So I just try, I'm not after perfection, but I do just try and wipe down at least some of the doors, if not all of them, to keep it looking as nice as possible as much of the time. So once I'm finished cleaning in an area, I'll usually get the robot vacuum to clean behind me. It just makes a better use of my time. And every single day I run at least 2 loads of washing, if not more. If you'd like to see more on that, I'll link my full laundry routine. So another thing I do in the mornings is I wipe down our bathroom benches, and the children do this in the evening, but it just helps to get rid of any toothpaste or soap or whatever else my kids have done to the bathroom before they leave for school. And then before bed, one of the kids will wipe it down for me in the evening. I try and just do a quick tidy in our girls' room. As you can see, one of my little girls just ran out of time to make her bed this morning, so I'm just quickly doing that for her. But they're usually really good at making their beds, and I just come in and tidy up, just make sure anything's put away that they've missed. Now these chairs are fantastic. They're from IKEA and I really do like them, but they've got these little holes in them which are just like food collectors. So at some point most days I end up pulling them down and just trying to wipe them out so they don't get disgusting. This is actually later in the afternoon, and I thought I would show you guys that when my kids get home, things get messy no matter how clean I've cleaned it during the day. So my toddler, who is about to turn 2, had a Cheerio explosion all over the floor. So he has just got the vacuum and he's helping me vacuum them up. And I think that no matter what your age your kids are, that they're able to help. If they're keen to get into it, I'll give them a go. So as you can see, even though I cleared the kitchen benches earlier in the day, we've just come home. I've got a few things from the shops and I've got some kids' lunch boxes. So what I just try and do is unpack the lunch boxes and deal with all of the containers and things that have come home from school while I've got dinner on, so that once after dinner, I'm only dealing with the dishes that we've used to eat and everything else has already been cleaned. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't So guys, now all I'm doing is our actual dishes from dinner, and as you can see, the kitchen is relatively good and clean because I've cleaned up as I'm going. So straight after we eat dinner, we are heading into sort of bath, home readers, homework time. So it's really handy for me to have all of that really clear before I get started on the last lot of dishes. So if I'm honest guys, I actually often leave whatever's left at the end of dinner to just sit there till the morning because I am so tired after we get all the kids into bed that I just let it go. As long as all the dishes are clean, it's really not a big deal for me to leave them there, and I can put it away while I'm waiting for my coffee to brew in the morning.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try.
As you can see, post dinner there is always a mess on the floor, so I just try and clean up any food mess that's been left behind and give the chairs a quick wipe before I go to bed.
On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know. I never felt more alive. I will get to you, 'cause you make.
Now I'm just straightening up our homework box after I've done homework with the kids. This just means that I've signed off any home readers for the night and that everything's ready to go for the next day.
A place for us.
So just with the amount of kids that we have and the toing and froing and eating, I always just try and give everything a quick vacuum, and I try and give the toilet a quick wipe over in the evening. It just leaves everything super fresh and clean for the next day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video to see a little bit about what I do every day just to keep on top of things. We try and keep it really quick and easy. I hope you like this video. If you're new, we would love to have you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.